Hi, this is Larissa from Wings Custom, and today I'm going to show you the King Curve Rhino handlebar. This one is for a road glide in special. There's some modifications needed, and I'm going to talk about them as well. So this is a King Curve handlebar. What this means? The King Curve comes from the curve that goes here. So let me put this on the side for you so you can see it better, okay? Now this is the King Curve curve. It goes to the inside, curves in the direction of the rider. This handlebar is a 2 inches handlebar, and that's why the Rhino name on it. If you look at the tube, this is 2 inches diameter, what makes possible to run through the brake and the clutch inside the handlebar. So now let me show you some comparison between the 2 inches thick tube and some other tubes. Right, this is a 2 inch tube, the ones that we are talking about, the Rhino ones. These are 1 1/2. It's most of the handlebars on the market right now has this diameter. And this is the original diameter of the handlebar on the road glide. So it's 1 1/4. Let's do some comparisons. First, we have the comparison between the 2 inches thick and the 1 1/2. There is a very clear difference here. Although the 1 1/2 is very thick, the 2 inches is just much thicker. You can just see that it goes through very easily. So now let's compare the 2 inches with the 1 1/4. Those are the original ones from this bike, and this is the Rhino. It's so very different. It's clearly more thick, and it looks so much better with a bike like Road Glide that is a more robust, a bigger bike in general. So yeah, that's why we talk so much about the Rhino bars for the Road Glide. Much thicker than the normal 1 1/4 or 1 1/2 ones. Now let's see other details. This handlebar has some special modifications for the Road Glide, like this reduction here. We did this reduction because in the Road Glide fairing, when the handlebar is installed, if you don't have this reduction, sometimes it can cause some problems and it wouldn't be good to ride. You wouldn't be able to twist your handlebar to all the sides, make all the curves you would need, and that's why we do this. So it allows you the perfect riding in your bike without any compromises. Now, the riser part. We do another reduction so this handlebar fits directly on your bike without any changes on your riser or anything like that, or in your forks. You can just install them in your bike as it is. They also have this knurl here. It's a cross knurl. It's made in a machine, and it allows you a lot more friction with the riser, which will make the bars very stable and very secure. Your bars won't be like sliding off and like wobbling, will be very, very firm and steady like it should be. Other details that are very important. We do all the reductions needed here and here, so it will fit with your original grips. We also do the cutouts for the electronic throttle and all the other adjustments that are needed for the Road Glide. Later we're going to show you, you're going to be seeing the details here, and also this handlebar is for a bike with hydraulic brake and clutch, and that's why we have this cutouts here. If your bike has a mechanical clutch, the cutouts will be different, but you can check this with us, the salesperson on the website. Okay, now let's do a quick run through the measurements on the handlebar. So the tip to tip can vary. This handlebar has around 36 inches on tip to tip and 14 inches and a half at the base, so it will fit perfectly in your forks. It also has 6 inches on pullback, so your hands will be perfectly straight. You see here my hands are not twisted for any side. With the original bars from Harley, you would have a more small tip to tip, and this would put your hands like here your hands would be like twisted, and we don't want that. We want straight hands, straight shoulders, the handlebar just a little below the shoulders. This would be a perfect height for me, for example. This is a 14-inch handlebar. It's also painted in gloss black. It's also powder coated, so it's a very resistant type of paint. You won't have any problems like the paint peeling off with time, anything like this. We can also make it matte black if you prefer. And we also have the polished stainless steel finishing. It's like chrome, but better. It's a finishing and not a coat. So it won't rust over time or peel off or anything like that. And you have life warranty against rust in specific. All right, this is a quick run through the King Curve Rhino bars with all the details you need to know. It's a very comfortable handlebar. You can adjust in a lot of positions. Looks very good in a bike like the Road Glide, a more robust bike, and it's a great choice overall for this bike. But yeah, if you have any questions, just hit us up, and other than that, we're available to help.